sklearn cluster spectral biclustering. Description: Spectral biclustering is a clustering algorithm that simultaneously clusters both rows and columns of a data matrix, identifying coherent subgroups within both dimensions. Inputs: data, a numerical array or matrix representing the data points to be clustered. Outputs: row cluster labels, an array of integer labels assigned to each row indicating its row cluster. Membership: column cluster labels, an array of integer labels assigned to each column indicating its column. Cluster membership. Steps: compute row and column similarities, calculate similarity matrices for both rows and columns using a specified similarity metric. Apply spectral clustering to rows and columns, perform spectral clustering on both the row and column similarity matrices to obtain row and column cluster labels. Metrics: biclustering metrics, specialized metrics for evaluating biclustering results, such as the checkerboard score or the consensus score. Visualization plots: bicluster heat map, a heat map of the data matrix where rows and columns are ordered according to their cluster assignments, revealing bicluster structures. Fine-tune parameters. Method: the method used for computing the row and column similarities, e.g. RBF, nearest neighbors. N clusters, the desired number of clusters for both rows and columns. Uncertainty methods. Probabilistic biclustering assigns probabilities to row and column cluster memberships instead of hard assignments. Challenges and fixes. Sensitivity to parameters. Experiment with different parameter values to find the optimal configuration. Use cross-validation or other model selection techniques. Computational complexity. Can be computationally expensive for large datasets. Consider using approximation methods or dimensionality reduction techniques.